Welcome back, students. So in the previous class we have discussed some problem, okay, with respect to some stack problem, actually infix to postfix conversion, right, and the respective algorithm, but the algorithm is not completed. So in this class again we are starting from that algorithm. That algorithm is infix to postfix conversion. Okay, algorithm is for infix to postfix conversion, right. So first of all, we have to write suppose x is an arithmetic expression written in infix notation, arithmetic expression written in infix notation, this algorithm finds the equivalent postfix notation, postfix expression y. So what is the meaning of this line? Means you see, what is the meaning? So x is an arithmetic expression written in infix notation. Suppose we take x is a infix, means infix to postfix notation conversion algorithm. So suppose we take x is an expression of infix. So when it is converted to postfix, and that postfix expression is stored in y. Okay, that is the concept. Suppose x is an arithmetic expression written in infix notation. This algorithm finds the equivalent postfix expression y. See, step 1. First of all, we have to be push means insert, open bracket. This is under quotation onto stack and add this close bracket to the end of x, means to the end of x expression, right. Second point, scan x from left to right and repeat steps 3 to 6. Repeat steps 3 to 6 for each element, of x until the stack is empty. You see? What is the meaning of this line? So push this open bracket onto stack, right, and add this close bracket to the end of expression x. Means we already done the conversion of infix to postfix problem, some questions, and that questions I think already you know that thing, that we have to be take the what? Braces, the rule. I hope you remember that rule. First rule is what? We have to be put the bracket. After that we have to be see the what? Priority. We have to give the priority of exponential, multiplication, addition, like that. You know that thing. So first we have to put the bracket. And when we done the problem regarding this algorithm in a stack, then you already clearly understood. You will. Means we have to push means we have to insert a open bracket onto stack and add close bracket to the end of expression x. Okay. After that, the expression which is in infix is what? Where? It is stored in x. So scan x from left to right. So this is the expression. So x is equal. So this is the expression. A plus b minus c minus d. So this is the expression. Okay. This is the infix. So this is we have to be scanned from left to right, okay, and repeat 3 to 6 step I write down here until the stack is empty. Means right, like we have to be inserted in a stack. This expression we have to be inserted in a stack, right, in a stack. See how we done. In 3 number, if an operand is encountered, add it to y. Okay, operand means this variable. Suppose this is the expression a plus b, this is called operand and this is operator. You already know this thing. Means if you reach say operand encountered, add it to y. Y means in the stack, add the postfix expression. 4 number. Okay, I erase this part. You just serially write down. Okay, I erase this for there is no enough space. If left parenthesis means left bracket, if a left parenthesis is encountered, push it onto stack. Okay. Number 5. Now, if an operator is encountered, what is happened? We already done the, if an operand is encountered, we already know the thing, right? But if operator is encountered, operator means this. So addition, multiplication, that type. Operator is encountered means operator is reached. What the step we take? You see. if an operator is encountered then small a repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator on the top of stack which has the same precedence as or higher which has the same precedence as or higher. I first of all write down after that I explain you. Higher precedence, you already know this thing, means priority, which operator has higher precedence, highest priority. Only the multiplication is highest priority than addition, subtraction, right? That thing. If multiplication operator is encountered, there it is first of all going to the stack. Addition is going to the in the next. Means multiplication symbol is going to it is going to the either in the stack. Okay, multiplication symbol. This multiplication symbol. If we encounter this symbol multiply, it will first of all going to the stack. Plus and minus will be going later, right? This concept. And B is add operator to stack. Right. Achha. Number 6 is if a right parenthesis is encountered. Okay. This is for left parenthesis, this is for right parenthesis. If a right parenthesis is encountered, what is happen? Then there is two possible conditions. First one is I write down here. After that I have to erase this part. Okay. Repeatedly pop from stack and add to y each operator on the top of stack until a left parenthesis is encountered. Okay. And last one step. I first of all explain this. If a right parenthesis is encountered, right parenthesis means this. Right parenthesis. Okay. Then what is happen? Repeatedly pop from stack. Pop means from the delay. Pop from stack and add to y is operator on the top of stack until a left parenthesis is encountered. Okay. You easily understood the algorithm. If we done the problem. After this algorithm, we done a problem. Okay, that is very important for exam also, final exam. Okay, last one point. I erase this. There is no space here. That's why. After that, remove the left parenthesis. Remove the left parenthesis. One note: do not add the left parenthesis to y. Okay, and after that, number 7 is end. Okay, means after that we have to remove the left parenthesis. Do not add this parenthesis to stack. Okay, y means in the stack actually we have to remove this left parenthesis. Okay, okay. So we have to done a problem regarding this algorithm. You easily understood it then. Okay. See, convert x. Okay, in x you see what is expression? A plus b into c d by e into postfix form showing stack status after every step. Stack status after every step in tabular form. Right? You see, this is the expression. A plus b into c minus this d divided by e. Okay. Now how we this convert this? We already done this that type of problem in mathematically. Okay, in the previous class. But how you done in tabular form? This is important. Tabular form. Okay. So for this solution, there is many space we have to be required. That's why I raise these questions. For solution you see 1 2 3 4. Okay, we take a big table. One, 2, 3, 4. The first one is for symbol. Okay. Scan, stack, and expression y means in the where what postfix is stored. Where postfix is stored. So you see the questions. The symbol 1 first scan A, and what is the algorithm? We have to be push in the stack initially a open bracket, right? And here expression A. The step 2, there is 20 step, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, step 2, plus, this is also A. In step 3, this symbol coming, you see in questions expression A. In step 4, we reach what? B. So this is A, B. Okay? In 5, we reach plus addition. That's a not addition, sorry, multiplication. Here you see, where we reach multiplication, after what happens, you see, 6, ABC, after that, subtraction, you see, when subtraction coming, this is going to this expression, because what? Multiplication has higher precedence than subtraction. That's why multiplication is going in there. Okay? In 8 number, bracket coming. In 9, D coming. Okay, this is okay. My mistake. In 10, in 11, E coming, and or even E. Okay. You just put it. This is the same. A, B, C, D, E. After we reach F, then this. D, E, F, okay. For 14, this coming. For here, when we reach this, when we input this, okay, in 14 input this, then this is under a opening and close bracket, then this will be completely going in the expression Y. This is directly for it is going to the expression what you see. Okay, and 15. Again we are encountered with multiplication, then this is, you see, okay, and in 16, G is coming, G, and 17 again this is coming, so this is coming in under a bracket, that's why it is going to the here DEF G, what will coming? Okay, multiply minus, okay, and 18 again 1 multiply coming, okay, don't give this multiply because multiply in here 18 19 8 is coming. This is A B C D F H, and finally in 20 this closing bracket. Closing bracket means this completely going to in here. Means the final expression is, after that you write, the final expression is A B C multiply DF, this symbol divide G multiply minus H multiply plus. You see, mean this is the scan symbol is in vertically, this is the expression. You see your questions, this is the questions. We put this initial bracket here and closing bracket is here. Okay, after that we scan this symbol in here. You see, I know this is showing perplex and very, showing to be tough, but it is not tough, it is very easy. If you done this in your book by step, then you easily understood. If you comparing with this to the algorithm, then you easily understood. But I know this is showing very, perplex, very toughest type of problem you see. But don't be confused, don't be panic, okay? This is very easy. If you done step by step in your copy, then easily understood. Means you have to put this in push, open bracket and stack, and in the scan expression, means in the input expression. After that, we have to be, okay, and when you coming like that, opening, close, suppose this expression, this will going to the stack directly, means it will inverted. Because in stack what? Like that, that's why it is inverted. Okay, when in step you put, inside a opening and closing bracket. After that, this expression is coming. Means this is the finally postfix notation of the prefix of the infix. Means this is the output of this input. Okay, means this is the postfix of this infix notation. Okay, I write here because there is no space, that's why I write here. This is actually the last line, but I write there, but there is no space in it. You write in the copy below, okay, in the finally this coming. I write here because there is no space. Okay, I know you saw something, difficult type of symbol, something confusion. You just see this is already in the book. You see the book and you just practice it in your copy, then you easily understood. And you use this concept with the algorithm. Okay, and if you any doubt regarding this, you can ask me anytime. Okay, don't be hesitant. But I already told you when it is coming like under a expression, this is the expression. Okay, this expression is encountered with this. That's why it is directly going to the y. That's why this is coming. Okay, and in here also this is coming. That's why it is going to the direct expression. This multiplication and y. This is be inverted because stack is like that. Okay, understood? The last one is coming in fast out. LIFO structure you already know that. That's why. Okay, don't be panic. Okay, don't be panic. You just practice it in your copy step by step. That is understood. And this step is in the below. Okay, below. This is the postfix of this infix, right? When just remember when you encounter with this, then it will directly go to expression, and the multiplication symbol is directly going to here. If you in here you see minus and multiplication is simultaneously coming. That's why minus and multiplication cannot stay together. Okay, because multiplication has the higher precedence. That's why it is directly going in the expression. Okay, in there also. Minus, subtraction and multiplication simple as together. That's why multiplication is directly going to there. Okay. So it will be ended, and last topic will be left for this chapter. We done in next class. Okay. So if you any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Okay. So I know this is showing something perplexed, but don't be confused. Okay, this is very easy topic. Just you practice it, you can easily understand. Okay, and if you any doubt, you already know it. You can ask me. Thank you.